This 5-minute solution will show you how to change age on Xbox. Open browser and open xbox.com. Click on sign in to sign into your Xbox account. Then click on your profile. Click on My Microsoft account. And you will jump into this page. Now click on your info. And here you will get your date of birth. Click on edit profile info. And now enter here your Xbox account password to continue. And now you will be able to easily change your age. After changing, make sure to click on save. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.